Welcome! If you're looking for a simple way to reward your customers, boost bookings, or run special promotions, discounts are a great feature for you. In this video, I'll guide you through the discount options available and show you how to create them step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up offers that encourage repeat bookings to keep your customers coming back. You can create discounts for all kinds of deals. Seasonal events like 20% off Black Friday or Cyber Monday, holidays such as a Valentine's Day promotion or Christmas promotion, customer rewards like a thank you discount for loyal customers, and last-minute deals for filling empty spots or boosting slow periods. Let's get started. Select Packages and Discounts in the left menu and then Discounts. This is where you'll manage your discounts. Before you create a discount, you'll need a discount set. Select Create a Discount Set. A discount set groups related discounts in one place. It also controls the rules that everything inside it follows, including any date limits and the tickets or entries the discount applies to. Enter the discount set name. This is internal only, so choose something that describes your promotion. Choose the discount type, pass or ticket, to decide what it applies to. Optionally, add a date range to limit when the discount can be used, for example, during a seasonal event. Finally, add ticket restrictions to control which tickets the discount applies to, such as specific entries, ticket types, or tags. Within the discount set, you have the option to create a discount code or a bulk booking discount rule. It's important to note that discount codes and bulk booking rules are separate discounts that work independently. Rules do not apply to codes and vice versa. Let's start with creating a discount code. Select Add Discount Code. Enter one or more codes, for example, Welcome 10 or BF 2025. Choose whether it's a percentage or a fixed amount discount. Top tip, using a fixed amount ensures the same value is always discounted. You can also add an expiration date or set a usage limit. Perfect for a promotion like the first 10 customers get £10 off. Finally, choose whether the discount is limited to once per booking email. When everything's set, select Add Code and then Save Changes for the discount set. It's helpful to check your new code is working as intended. Open the public page and enter the code at checkout to confirm the discount applies correctly. Next up, bulk booking discounts. These apply automatically when your customer meets the conditions you set. For example, buy 4 or more tickets and get 20% off. Automatically applied at checkout. This can be set up within the same discount set if the same event restrictions apply, or within a new discount set. Let's set one up. Choose Add Discount Rule. Define how many tickets trigger it, pick a fixed or percentage discount, choose an optional expiration date, and set a time frame limit for any qualifying events, if the tickets must be booked within a specific time span. You can also choose if only separate events count towards the discount. Choose this option if you'd like to exclude group bookings to the same event from the offer. Finally, select Add Rule to finalize the bulk booking discount. If the discount set is published, the rule is active and available to your customers from the moment it is added. Again, it's a good idea to test the discount. Head to the public page and try adding the qualifying tickets to ensure the discount is automatically applied. Once confirmed as correct, share the discount with your customers. Some of the options on Bookwhen include displaying the discount on your public booking page as an alert or within the general information section, adding it to your booking confirmation message to promote additional offerings or general discounts, and including it in the post-event email to attendees to encourage repeat business. You can also share it via your email system or on social media to reach even more customers and boost your bookings. Pro tip: if you're planning multiple codes for different groups, like students, members, or first-time customers, use clear names such as Student 10 or Member 15, so they're easy to track. You may also be wondering which to use, codes or rules. Using both codes and bulk booking rules in the same set gives you flexibility. You might run a code for early birds with an expiration date and then set a bulk rule for groups later as an ongoing discount. Discounts make it easier to manage, track, and maintain your promotions. To make changes to your discounts, return to the discount page, open the discount set, and replace any codes. It's that simple. However, if you need to stop a discount offer, we recommend unpublishing the discount set rather than removing the codes customers have already redeemed. This ensures you don't accidentally affect bookings that have already applied the discount. And that's how you create discounts in Bookwhen. To recap, create a discount set, which is your promo folder. Inside it, create either a discount code or a bulk booking rule, or even both. Set restrictions for entries, tickets, or tags so you apply the offer only where you want it. Save, test, and then let your customers know about the offer. With discounts, you can attract more bookings, reward loyal customers, or boost new signups, all while staying in control. Ready to set up your first discount? Get started today. And remember, the Bookwhen team and help articles are always here if you need a hand.